Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine from juice and yeast. First, gather your essential winemaking equipment, like a 1-gallon carboy, an airlock, and a stopper. Next, choose a pure fruit juice, ensuring it contains no preservatives like sorbates. Thoroughly sanitize all your equipment using a food-grade sanitizer to prevent unwanted bacteria from spoiling your batch. This crucial step ensures a clean and successful fermentation process. Once your equipment is sanitized, pour the juice into your fermenter. Now, it's time to add your wine yeast. A single packet of wine yeast is usually sufficient for a 1-gallon batch. Gently stir to combine. Seal the fermenter with the airlock, which allows gases to escape without letting air in. Keep the fermenter in a dark place at a stable temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal fermentation. After about 2 to 3 weeks, when bubbling slows significantly, it's time to rack your wine. Carefully siphon the wine from the primary fermenter into a clean, sanitized secondary fermenter, leaving the sediment behind. This process helps clarify the wine and removes it from dead yeast cells. Let it sit for another 2 to 4 weeks to allow further clarification. You can also add a fining agent if you desire a crystal clear finish. Finally, after your wine is clear, it's time for bottling. Sanitize your wine bottles and siphoning tube thoroughly. Carefully siphon the finished wine into your clean bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Cork or cap your bottles securely. Store your homemade wine in a cool, dark place. While it can be enjoyed immediately, aging for a few months often enhances the flavor profile, making it even more delightful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.